السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لئن شكرتم لأزيدنكم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري. اللهم صل وسلم على نبينا محمد. آمين يا رب العالمين. الحمد لله. So, in the previous lecture, you learned Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul. Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul. The wazn of Ismul Fa'il in Thulathi is Fa'ilun. In Mazidun Fi, it's different. You already learned it. And you learned the meanings of Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul, how they can come in Quran or in the sentence. Now today we are going to learn about these both, especially these both, mostly in the Arabic language, how they are used grammatically slightly differently. And what we are going to learn today, always remember, it will be mansoob in Arabic sentence, mansoob. Even if the sentence is verbal, even the sentence is nominal, in any case, it will be mansoob. Number one thing. Number two, it will be nakira always. So keep in mind, it will be nakira always. So these 2 points all now remember before we proceed to the lecture. So Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul both. Ismul Fa'il and Ismul Maf'ul both in nominal or verbal sentence, they will come as nakira. Okay, we will now proceed for the further study. So the topic is Al-Hal, condition. In English, you can translate condition. We'll say, what is the condition? Now, who want to participate? Okay, Diba.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Who else want to participate? Okay, Hina Sayyed and Nasra Malik. Sometime, Diba, one child is coming to you and he is crying. We use the sentence, or we used to say in two different ways. For example, maybe you can say, the crying baby came. Diba understood?
Yes, sir. The crying baby
The crying baby came. And in the same sentence, we can say, the baby came while he was crying.
Yes.
Or he was crying. Now, Diba, can you give me a differentiation in both cases?
Sir, in both the cases, the condition in which the child is coming is that he's crying.
So in the second sentence, when we are saying the baby came or the child came while he was crying, the child came, he was crying. When I'm saying he was crying, it means I am telling about his condition.
Yes, sir.
And in the first sentence, the crying baby came, it means now here I'm telling as an adjective.
Okay. Yes, sir.
As sifa. That it means I'm telling that the baby, it is having the quality to cry always.
Yes.
But the second sentence is telling that you seen a baby while he was crying. So it's different. But how we need to see in Arabic language, there's to differentiate between both, it's very delicate difference. We can understand by now. The first sentence, can you read, Hina Sayyid?
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम जा'a Khalidun Dahikan.
Ja'a Khalidun Dahikan. This is the first sentence. Okay, next sentence, can you read, Nasira Malik?
رأيت الشمس طالعة.
Tali'atan. Okay. Now, until the study we done now, you will probably you will say directly Khalidun Fa'il and Dahikan, because you learned until now the mansoob in verbal sentence is always maf'ul, right? Right, Diba?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So it is not the case. Mansoob, it can be in different scenario. Now, Khalidun is file for sure because it is raf'un. Now, Dahikan, it is not maf'ul. It is hal. It is called hal. Now we have to learn how we will call it hal. So for hal, you need to look on three things. Number one should be ismul file or ismul maf'ul. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Hina Sayyed, what it should be?
It should be maf'ul.
No, you are somewhere else busy, very busy.
No, sir. I'm full present here.
So you can even repeat the sentence what I said.
Okay, it may be either ismul fa'il or maf'ul.
Yes.
The
So
hal.
if
hal.
we want to recognize the hal condition, this noun should be ismul fa'il or ismul maf'ul. The three things we need to check. Second, it should be mansoob. Okay.
Okay.
Number three, it should be nakira. Okay. Now, Nasira Malik, dahikan, it is ismul fa'il or ismul maf'ul?
It's Ismul Fa'il.
Ismul fa'il, dahikun. It means the one who is laughing, dahikun. So, ja'a Khalidun dahikan. Now, we need to relate with something. Now, Khalidun, can you tell me, Diba, it is nakira or marifa?
Sir, it is Marifa. It is a name.
It is marifa. Very good. So can we call dahikan sifa of Khalid? Adjective?
No,
Can we
sir.
say it?
No, because Mausuf and Sifa follow each other in four
Yes,
conditions.
it cannot be the sifa of Khalid because it is the rule that sifa has to follow its mausuf in what? In all the cases.
Yes, sir. Jins
I'rab,
Adad.
jins,
Adad.
adad, and wus'a, capacity.
Status, Arab. Yeah.
Four things, there should be a connection. But remember, when we are saying hal, now hal, what it should follow with the, now, okay. In murakkab tawsifi, we call it mausuf, right?
Yes, sir.
And for hal, what we have to call Khalid? It is called zul hal. What it is called?
Zulhal.
Zulhal. So between hal and zulhal, to make a relation, what should be there? It should follow jins and adad. Copy? Understood? So this is how you will differentiate between murakkab tawsifi and hal zulhal. Murakkab tawsifi, it should follow what? In all conditions, what we said here, four things.
Yes.
But hal and zulhal, the hal will follow its zulhal only in which case? Jins and adad. Understood, Hina Sayyed?
Yes, sir.
It's difficult or until now it's easy? It's okay.
No, it's easy, sir.
It's easy. Well, yes, it's easy. Only now you come to know, okay, if a sentence something is mansoob, how we need to link it. Ja'a Khalidun dahikan. Now we'll move to the next sentence. So now Zulhal is Khalid and Hal dahik. Now, Diba, if I want to make dahik sifa of Khalid, what changes I should do?
Sir, it should become Ad-Dahika.
Ad-dahiku.
Ad-Dahiku. Yes, sir. Correct.
Yeah, because it will follow what? You have to
It
change
will Arab.
the wus'a
Arab also.
and Arab both. You have to, it has to follow. So that
Yes,
why
sir.
I asked this question? Just to differentiate.
Bluetooth mode.
So now in this case, what's happening? We are describing the condition of Khalid, that in which condition you saw Khalid. Ja'a Khalidun dahikan. Khalid came laughingly, or he was laughing. Okay. Ra'aytu shamsa taliyatan. Now hina taliyatan, it is mansoob noun, right? She made herself quiet, or she left. Okay, Nasira Malik. Tali'atan mansoob.
Yes, sir. It's a mansub.
Why it is feminine?
Because Shamsu is according to Arab. It is a. It can be used as both.
No, it cannot be used
Muzakkar
as
and
both. It is feminine only.
Okay.
No, you are Sister Nasira. You forgot the lecture number 2. Okay, Shamsa. Tell me,
Also,
Diba,
yes, the
Shamsa is
later thing
mansoob.
can be
Okay.
taken as muannas.
Yes, sir.
So, Diba, why Shamsa is
Yes.
mansoob in this sentence?
So because it is maf'ul.
It is maf'ul. Can we call a Shamsa hal?
No, sir.
Why?
So because it is not nakira. It is not nakira.
It is not nakira. Very good. It is not nakira. We cannot call it hal. So now
Yes.
Shamsa is maf'ul of this sentence. Ra'aytu Shamsa. I saw the sun. Now what I want to say, tali'atan. Now tali'atan, it is mansoob and it is nakira. So what it is
Yes.
called?
So it can be called tawliyatan is hal.
Is hal.
Hal.
Very good. It is hal. It is the condition. So
Yes.
what you call, what is the zul hal of tali'atan?
So this maf'ul ash-shamsa.
It is zul hal. So taliyatan is hal of ash-shamsa. So in hal, when we want to describe some noun hal, what we should look into?
So in both of hal and zul hal, jins and adat should match each other,
Okay.
and hal should be nakira and mansoob, and it should be
Hal-
from ismul fa'il and ismul maf'ul.
Ismul maf'ul. But only a few, sometime it can be verbal noun, masdar. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It can be masdar also, but it comes very less. But it will follow the same rule, nakira and mansoob. Now please observe, I explained everything already. In the first sentence, Khalid was fa'il, right?
Yes, sir.
And it was zulhal, correct?
Yes, sir.
In the next sentence, Ash-Shamsa was maf'ul and it was zulhal. So it means zulhal can be fa'il, it can be maf'ul, correct?
Yes, sir.
And it can be pronoun also. If I remove Khalid, I say ja'a dhahikan. So now what is zulhal?
So huwa is hidden in it.
Very good. Now the zulhal is huwa, ja'a dhahikan. MashaAllah. It means you understood it correctly. Okay, may Allah give barakah in your understanding and knowledge. Okay, next sentence. So we'll just give it small in the points. It has 2 parts. For hal and zulhal, there are some conditions. Hal, mansoob, nakira, ismul fa'il, or ismul maf'ul, and gender and number according to zulhal. And zulhal, what's its condition? It should be what? Ma'rifa. In original condition, it should be ma'rifa, okay? And i'rab, it is according to sentence. What did you understood, Hina Sayyid, from this i'rab of zulhal according to sentence? What does it mean?
Hmm.
No problem.
It means if the maf'ul or the zul hal have fatha or mansoob condition, then the hal will also be mansoob condition.
No. No, hal is not following its zulhal. in Arab
In Arab.
condition.
Okay.
Hina, correct it. This is
Okay.
very important to understand. That
Okay.
hal is following zul hal in which conditions? What are those two things?
Adad and
Jins.
jins. Jins
Then
and
why you
adad.
are saying fatah and all these things? This sentence, Arab, according to the sentence, it means that the zul hal, it can have different Arab. It can be mansoob, it can be marfu, it can be majroor also.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
It means the zul hal, its Arab is not fixed. Like in the first sentence, it is marfu. In the second, it is mansoob. So what does it show? It shows that zul hal, it don't have anything fixed except it should be marifa only. It is the only
Okay.
fixed point. Hina Sayyid,
Mhm.
understood?
Yes, sir.
So my explanation was wrong, or you understood in different way?
No, sir. You explained it well.
I am trying to explain it well, but may it be easy for you. So I hope I tried to explain it simply. Now we'll move forward. Okay, next sentence. Now, Aisha Dania, tell me what is Zulhal in the sentence. Zahabat Aisha tu Bakiyatan. What is Zulhal?
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The الحال is عائشة
Okay, what is Hal?
باكية.
Okay, so it is which kind of ismul fa'il or ismul maf'ul?
اسم الفاعل.
Ismul fa'il, okay. Diba, next sentence. Adib waladaka saghiran. Now, what is Zulhal?
Sir, waladaka is zulhal and saghiran is hal.
Okay, what are the things connecting saghiran? Okay, we'll not say waladaka Zulhal. We'll say actually this walad is Zulhal. It is what? Mudaf. Mudaf is Zulhal. Full murakkab we cannot say, okay?
Okay.
We need to figure out what is actually in that. Adib waladaka saghiran. Now saghiran, it is hal of walad. Now it is following what?
Sir, it is following in jins and adad.
Very good, jins, because walad is muzakkar and saghiran is
Yes.
also muzakkar. Walad is wahid, saghiran is also wahid.
Yes.
So is walad is marfa or no?
Sir, it is marfa.
Why it is marifa?
Waladaka. So because it is muzaf. Muzaf is always
Very
marfa.
well, because it is mudaf. Good, mashallah. Now, Hina Sayyid, Ja al waladani bakiyani. What is the fa'il in this sentence?
Waladani is file.
Waladani is fa'il. Okay. It is not bakiyani, bakiyaini. It is what? It is written wrong. Bakiyaini.
Yes.
Ki,
Baki.
yai.
Yeni.
Now, it is fa'il. Now, tell me what is the hal in this sentence?
Bakiyeni.
Bakiyaini. Bakiyaini is wahid, musanna or jam'un?
Musanna.
It is musanna. Very well. So, what is Zulhal in this sentence?
Waladani.
Al-waladani. How you will recognize what is Zulhal? What you have to look into?
It is marifa.
Yes, very well. It is ma'rifa. You have to look what? Ma'rifa. Only one thing you have to look. What? How many things,
Okay.
Hina?
And Arab also.
No, Khalli wali Arab. Why you are going to
Okay.
Arab? Who
Only-
said that Zulhal you will look into Arab? Means Miss Hina, please delete this
Yes.
from your brain. Why it is stuck in
Okay.
your brain?
Okay. So because in these two categories you mentioned hal and zulhal, so there is i'rab according to the sentence.
It is according to
What?
the sentence. What does it mean? It
Okay.
is not the condition. It is just a small explanation that don't look
Okay.
into Arab of Zulhal.
Okay. Got it, sir. Thank you for that.
I explained here clearly that you have to follow only what? It's wusa,
Only
marifa.
yes. The
Only.
status, yeah.
If you want to
Okay.
categorize Zulhal, you have to look into only one thing. It should be marifa. Forget it's
Okay.
Arab, whatever. Okay?
Okay, sir.
When we want to figure out Zulhal, because it is important to know that this condition is coming for what? Because in sentences there can be many things, right?
Yes, sir.
Because this sample is this example is very simple, but sentence can be complex, correct?
Yes.
So in complex sentence, how you will figure out what is Zulhal? If this condition is coming for what? There are many things. So this is how we need to know. It should be ma'rifa. That's why I'm focusing and slightly stressing on it. That is the only reason.
Okay.
Now I hope it is clear, okay?
Yes, alhamdulillah.
Ja'al waladani baqiyaini. Now, if we want to declare that baqiyaini is hal, what we should look, you know?
We should see either it is going according to its zulhal with adad or jins.
Very good.
Both
Number
of
two,
them are
there are two things, adad and jins. But these are two things follow. But how we declare that this is hal, this is not sifa?
If it is nakira,
Very
and
good.
if it is either ismul fa'il or maf'ul, or if it's mansub in condition or status of i'rab.
Very good. Three things you need to look. Nakira, ismul fa'il or ismul maf'ul, and mansub. These are three things you have to look to declare that is hal. So in Quran, mostly hal is coming in that way, and there is another way when hal can be sentence. This we'll see also. Okay. Now we'll move to the next example. Aisha Dania, can you read the next sentence?
قطفت الوردتين متفتحتين.
Okay. قطفت الوردتين متفتحتين. Now tell me, Aisha, first, mutafattihatun. It is ismul fa'il or ismul maf'ul?
مفعول.
Ismul maf'ul or ismul fa'il? Diba, what is mutafattihatun? Ismul fa'il or ismul maf'ul?
Sir, it's ismul fa'il.
It is ismul fa'il, Aisha. Mutafattihatun. Mutafattihun. Okay, actually, mutafattihun. It became feminine because of Vardataini. So it is from which chapter, Diba?
Sir, Bab Tafa'ul.
Very good. It is from Bab Tafa'ul. Mutafattihatun. Opened. Okay. Now tell me, Aisha, mutafattihataini. It is what in the sentence? Fa'il, maf'ul, or sifa, or hal?
Hal.
It is hal. So now in the sentence we are telling the qatiftul wardataini. I plucked the two roses. In which condition? It means they were blooming, they were opened. Okay, I'm telling the condition. Because in this sentence and in example, I'm trying to tell with who I'm talking about the condition of the roses. That when I plucked the roses, what were the condition of those roses? Okay, so this hal is very important for understanding of actual meaning of the sentence. Okay, now tell me, al-wardataini, it is fa'il or maf'ul, Aisha?
الوردتين مفعول.
It is maf'ul. Very good. Wardatun and wardataini, it is maf'ul. What is fa'il?
It's hidden. قطفت أنا.
Ana. Very good. Ana. So, mutafattihataini, it is actually hal. and al-wardataini, it is zulhal. So zulhal, we need to look what? That it is ma'rifa. And in hal, we need to look, it is mansoob. Number one thing. Number two, it is nakira. Number three, it is ismul fa'il or ismul maf'ul. Okay.
Okay.
Ja al-awladu bakina. Nasira Malik.
Yes,
What is the hal in this sentence?
Bakina.
What is zulhal?
Al-awladu.
Al-awladu. How we will recognize zulhal?
Because it is Marifa. Ismu
It is
Marifa.
Marifa. Very good. It is Marifa. That is the only case we need to look. And for hal, how we will recognize that this is the hal, not adjective?
It is Mansoob and Nakira. And over here it is Ismul Fa'il.
Very good. Ismul fa'il or ismul maf'ul. Excellent. MashaAllah. So al-awladu, what is it in the sentence?
رأيت الأولاد ساجدين.
The first sentence.
الأولاد. First was the fa'il. Al-awladu was the fa'il.
Very
And
good.
in the
It is
second
fa'il.
sentence,
Fa'il.
al-awlada is the maf'ul.
Okay. In the second sentence, al-awlada, it is maf'ul. So sajidina, it is hal, and we are observing sajidina, it is jam'un, number one, and it is muzakkar because al-awlad is jam'un and muzakkar. And sajidina ismul fa'il, nakira, and mansoob. So it is hal. So if we want to make sajidina sifa of al-awlad, what changes will do, Hina Sayyid?
Ra'aytul awladu as-sajidin.
Very good. We'll put the things which two things are missing, we will add. What two things are missing? This wusa and i'rab. We will let that noun follow in these two things. Okay, alhamdulillah. I think it's clear to you now. Ja'atin nisa'u baqiyatun. Okay. Now, there are few things more we need to know. Anwa'ul hal. Anwa'ul hal. It means the types of condition. There are few. Mufrad. Mufrad, it means single noun. What we learned now. It was mufrad. Okay, Hina?
Yes, sir.
It was mufrad, like single noun. Now we can have sentence also as hal. Okay. We can have
Okay,
shibu jumla
okay.
also. So we see how we'll recognize. Now jumla, it can be jumla ismiya, jumla failiya. In jumla failiya, it can be madi, it can be muzare. So it means we can have hal as sentence also. So how we'll recognize that the hal sentence, how we'll say that that is hal, not sifa. Okay. We'll see now. Jumla ismiya. Sentence is ji'tu washamsu tali'atun. The sentence is Raja al-ummalu wahum mut'abuna. Ja'at Zainabu wajhuha mutahallilun. Now, can you read Diba Farid? What is the first condition?
Sentence connected with wow.
Okay, number one thing. How we'll recognize the sentence is hal. So, ji'tu washamsu tali'atun. So, this is called Jumla Haliya. What it is called?
Jumla haliya.
Conditional sentence. So wow, it is wow haliya. What it is called in Arabic term? Wow haliya. Because there are two vowels, wow haliya and wow ataf. Wow ataf, it means the second sentence is you are just adding in the first one. Okay, it is called ataf. That the both sentence, just you are telling that like Khalid and Hamid. This is called wow ataf. But this wow haliya, you are telling the condition. So what is zulhal? The zulhal is ana, the ji'tu. In which condition I came? So this sentence is telling whose condition, Diba?
Sir, my condition.
My condition, that ji'tu, when I came, yani I came, washamsu tali'atun. The sun, when I came in the condition, the sun was rising,
Yes, sir.
sun was shining, washamsu tali'atun. Okay. Now the second sentence, raja al ummalu wahum mut'abuna. So in this condition, our zulhal should be what? Marifa. It is marifa or no?
Yes, sir. Al-ummalu.
Yes. And when we want to say a sentence is hal, there is a wow added. Wow. This wow is important. Okay? This
Yes, sir.
wow is important. Wow halia. It is telling the condition. Second thing, this sentence will be called mansoob understood. There is no sign to tell that what the sentence, because sentence also have i'rab. It can be marfu, it can be mansoob, but we cannot show. Only we have to say that because it is in the place of mansoob condition, so we'll say the sentence is mansoob. Now, second sentence is the same as the first one. Okay, that wow called conditional, and in this sentence, pronoun reverting towards zulhal can be present or cannot be present. Okay, you see in the first sentence, there is no pronoun which is being connected with the first one. Correct, Hina?
Yes, sir.
But in second sentence, there is pronoun which is connected with the first sentence. Can you tell me
Yes.
which pronoun?
Home.
Yes, very good. Whom. Whom is reverting to who? To ummal.
Ummal.
So this is connected by whom. In the last sentence, can you tell me, Hina, which dhamir, which pronoun is connecting with the first sentence?
Ha.
Very good. Wajhuha, this ha is connecting to Zainab.
Zainab.
Zainab. Zainab came. Wajhuha mutahallilun. Her face was blooming. So you are telling a condition of Zainab, but you are connecting with one sentence.
Yes.
And another thing you will observe, mutahallilun is also ismul fa'il, muta'abuna ismul maf'ul, taliyatun ismul fa'il. Did you observe it?
Yes.
This you will also observe, but possibly there can be some sentences which don't have ism fa'il and maf'ul, but mostly they will have. Okay, this is jumla ismiya, how we need to figure out. This wow is important, and we need to look, it is connected with pronoun or no. Sometime it will not be connected, but mostly yes. This sentence is considered mansoob. Now, we have jumlatul fi'liya, verbal sentence. Can you read, Diba, the sentence?
Yes, sir. جاء الضيوف وما استيقظ مضيف.
وَمَا اسْتَيْقَظَ الْمُضِيفُ. It means the guest came, but the host was not awake. He was still sleeping. وَصَلْتُ الْمَدْرَسَةَ وَقَدْ دَقَّ الْجَرَسُ. Okay. If conditional sentence is past, then, so we have conditions. Now our conditional sentence is Madi in both examples. Now, how we'll see that it's hal or no. So if conditional sentence is past tense, then what is written, Aisha Tania?
Then if in sentence there is pronoun which is reverting to zulhal, then sentence will start from waw or qad.
Okay, if in the sentence there is pronoun which is reverting to zulhal, then sentence will start from qad or waw. So wasaltul madrasa wa qad daqqal jarasu. I think there is something missing in that point. The point, normally you will find if fi'l madi is there, now fi'l madi, you will observe qad, okay, for jumla haliya. And if ma
Okay.
nafi is there, then you will observe waw haliya.
Okay.
Okay? If ma nafi is there, you will only observe waw, and in that case, it is not compulsory that waw should come. Wasaltul madrasa qad dakkal jarasu. It can be possible, only qad can come. Can you read the next sentence, Hina Sayyid?
Ja'at tiflu yabki.
Ja'at tiflu yabki. Now that is important. Yabki is fail mudare or mazi?
Mudare.
Fail mudare. But remember, in Quran, I don't remember any sentence haliya came which is madi. I still did not remember. Maybe it can be, but what I remember, mostly they are mufrad or mudare. Okay, ja at-tiflu yabki. Now in this sentence you observe at-tiflu, it is zulhal, and yabki, it is its hal.
Hal. Yeah.
Now next sentence, dakhala zaidun walam yabda il ustadu muhadiratahu. Dakhala zaidun, it is sentence. Now the next sentence starting from waw. Okay?
Wawul hal.
Waw haliya. And the next, qataftul wardata walamma tatafattah. Now again waw. Okay? Allahu akhrajakum min butuni ummahatikum la ta'lamuna shay'an. See, la ta'lamuna shay'an. It is hal, but
Yes.
without waw.
Jumla hal. Yes.
Okay? Now we'll see the
Yes.
points. If sentence is positive, then we will not add waw. You got it? If the sentence is positive, we will not add waw. This yabki was positive sentence or negative, Diba?
Sir, it is positive.
Yeah, because there is no nafi. Now, in
Yes,
next
sir.
sentence, why we added waw?
Because lam came.
Because lam is for nafi. And
Yes,
qataftul
sir.
wardata walamma tatafattah. Why we added waw?
So because lamma came,
Nafi.
it is
Yes,
for negation.
lamma is for nafi
Not-
with mudare, not with madi. With madi, it is giving
Yes.
different meaning. Now
Yes,
here
sir.
it is also nafi, but we are not adding waw because it has some condition. When it will come with la, we will not add waw. Okay, la has
Okay.
exception. Now we want to figure out what is zulhal. Ja tiflu yabki, it is zulhal. Dakhala zaidun walam yabda il ustadu muhadiratahu. So it is hal of what? Zaidun. It means Zaid entered in which condition? If the sentence is telling the hal of Zaid. Qataftul wardata walamma tatafattah. What is zulhal, Diba?
Low battery. Please charge.
Sir, zulhal is qataf. So lamma, ये हो जाएगा.
Diba,
Yes,
what is
sir.
the sentence?
Sir, qataftul wardatal walamma tatafattah.
Yes, what is zulhal? How you will recognize zulhal? What is the position to check
Acha,
zulhal?
yes, sir. It is al wardata. Sir,
Yes,
it is
very simple.
marifa.
Marifa, al
Yes,
wardata.
sir.
In previous sentence, Zaidun marifa. In the first sentence, atiflu marifa. It's easy or no?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes.
Easy.
So this walamma tatafattah, why we added waw? You know the
Because
reason now?
lamma is,
Because
yes, sir.
lamma is nafi. Why we added waw? Because lam is nafi.
Yes, sir.
Allahu akhrajakum min butuni ummahatikum la ta'lamuna shay'in. Now tell me what is zulhal here? Diba.
Sir, sir, akhrajakum. Sir, no,
Dib-
sir. Kum zamir over here.
Yeah, Diba, I told. You need to
Yes,
pick
sir.
one only.
Yes, sir.
This murakkab. This kum.
Yes.
This kum is
Yes.
zulhal. That in which condition you were? Allahu akhrajakum min butuni ummahatikum la ta'lamuna shay'an. What was your condition? See, now you should know that hal, why it is important. That what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala telling us, that Allah, He made you come out from your mother's womb. In which condition? La ta'lamuna shay'an. You were not knowing anything.
Yes.
La ta'lamuna shay'an. So what is zulhal? This kum, the first one. That what was your condition when you came out? Okay. Now we'll do small practice from Quran. Okay. سخر لكم الشمس والقمر دائبين. Tell me, Aisha Dania, what is hal in this sentence?
الشمس والقمر.
Aisha, to recognize hal, what we should look?
Oh, حال. Okay, I thought you were asking me the حال. No, okay, حال is دائبين.
Hal is daibaini. How you recognize this is hal? What you check?
It's منصوب and nakira and اسم فاعل.
Very good. It's mansoob, it's nakira, and it is ismul fa'il. Ismul fa'il. Okay. Can you tell me, Nasira Malik, what is Zulhal?
الشمس and والقمر.
Okay. Tell me, Nasira, daibaini, it is muzakkar or muannas?
It's muzakkar.
Now, in sentence, we have ashams muannas. Then why it is muzakkar?
Yes, sir. Oh.
Diba, what is the answer?
So, but, if there are many females and one muzakkar will come, then it will be heavier on it.
Very good. In Arabic language, the masculine will be heavy on the feminine noun. That is the reason.
Yes.
Okay, Nasira?
Okay, sir. So, sir, over here, sakhara, like, I can't see any male. Kum is the male that we are taking.
What is al-qamar? What is the gender of al-qamar?
Okay, sir.
See, I think, Nasira, you did not
Can you repeat
understood
this?
completely.
Yes,
What
sir,
is
I'm confused with this nature thing. I have taken it as, but because in the Quran I have seen in many places like hunna and shamsa mustakhara laha. So I'm very confused with these things.
Okay, daibaini is musanna.
Okay.
Now we have two zulhal, ash-shams wal-qamar. These both are musanna. That's why daibaini is musanna. Okay, next sentence we'll move. كما أخرجك ربك من بيتك بالحق. Now here I'll tell you, normally in Quran, wherever you'll find bil haqq, it is hal. Okay? It is shibu jumla. Okay, Diba?
Yes, sir.
Kama
Shibu
akhrajaka rabbuka min baytika bil haqq. So this kaf is zulhal. So the examples for shibu jumla is very less in Quran, but bil haqq wherever is coming, it's always hal. وَكَانُوا يَنْحِتُونَ مِنَ الْجِبَالِ بُيُوتًا آمِنِينَ. Now, Hina Sayyid, it is your test. Tell me what is the hal in this sentence.
Aminina is a hal.
Very good. How you pick? Because buyutun is also mansoob and nakira.
Yes.
So how
Yes.
you pick aminina?
Because it is mansoob and it is nakira. And
Okay. Number one, it is mansoob. Second, it is nakira. And what is next? Okay. Until here,
ismul fa'il
tell
or
me,
maf'ul.
this buyut is also nakira and mansoob. Then how you differentiate between both?
It is ismul fa'il, aminina.
Very good, because it is ismul fa'il and buyutun is ismul zaat.
Yes.
It's not from the derived nouns. Okay, good, masha Allah. Aminina. So it is ismul fa'il. Now, tell me, Hina, what is zulhal? That is now another test.
Al-jibal.
Al-jibal, it can be, now what I should say. Okay, we'll ask. Diba, what is zulhal?
Sir, over here, minal jibali, so it should be mutalik fi'l over here. So, yan hituna over here, hum zamir can be zulhal?
Yes, hum zamir is zulhal.
Okay.
وَكَانُوا يَنْحِتُونَ مِنَ الْجِبَالِ بُيُوتًا آمِنِينَ. Because this al-jibal, if hal for al-jibal was coming, it should be wahid muannas. Because al-jibal is ghayru aqil. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
And aminun is ismul fa'il. Who is amin? Like if I say ana aminun, it means I am in a safe condition. I am in a peace. So kanu yanhituna, nahata yanhitu. It means what we say when you are digging up the mountains. How it is called in English?
They used to carve the mountains.
Yes. What is carving? Very good. Carve. So kanu yanhituna min al-jibali buyutan. Buyutan is maf'ul of yanhituna. Mean from the mountains they were carving the homes. But in which condition?
Peacefully.
Aminina. In a peaceful way. They were peaceful there. So actually, whom is Zulhal? You need to look into, this is Jam'u Salim and Jam'u Salim and Al-Jibal. It is Ghayru Aqil. If in case it was Hal of Al-Jibal, it will be Wahid because Jabal, it's Jibal, Jam'u Ghayr Aqil. It will be Wahid Muannas. Understood, Hina?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, alhamdulillah.
I'm trying to tell everything clearly in a simple way. وَرَفَعَ أَبَوَيْهِ عَلَى الْأَرْشِ وَخَرُّوا لَهُ سُجَّدًا. Now, sujjada, it is actually plural of sajidun.
Sajidun.
Yes, and that is why it is hal. And now, tell me Zulhal. What is Zulhal in it? The sentence Nasira Malik.
Tulhal is al-arish, no, al-arish. Raf, and then over here, Sujadan.
No problem. Aisha, Dania.
Home.
Is it home? Yeah.
Where-
Is it home?
Where is what you are saying?
Kharru, it's a hidden pronoun. Home.
Very good. Kharru. The condition of this fi'l madi, home is file. That is the hal of sujjada. Wa kharru lahu sujjadan. They fell down in a condition of prostrating. Okay. وَتَرَى الْمُجْرِمِينَ يَوْمَئِذٍ مُقَرَّنِينَ فِي الْأَصْفَادِ. Tell me, Hina, what is the file in, what is the hal in this sentence?
Muqarranina is a
Muqarranina.
hal.
Very good. It is hal. What is Zulhal?
Home. It is a hidden in mujrimina.
Just al-mujrimina.
Al-mujrimin, yeah. Al-mujrimin.
Next sentence. وَمَا يَأْتِيهِم مِّن رَّسُولٍ إِلَّا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ. Okay. Hina, I was telling in previously that in sentence there can be different mansoob noun. So that's why it is important to keep the rules in your mind. So you've done it very correctly because muqarranina is also mansoob and al-mujrimina is also mansoob. So what are the things to differentiate what is maf'ul and what is hal? Only thing that Zulhal is ma'rifa and the hal is nakira.
Yes.
And then mansoob, and then ismul maf'ul.
File or maf'ul.
Ismul maf'ul. Qarrana yuqarrinu min taf'il, bab taf'il. وَمَا يَأْتِيهِم مِّن رَّسُولٍ إِلَّا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ. So this kanu bihi yastahzi'una actually is hal of who? Can you tell me, Diba?
Yeah.
So, yeah, him. Sir, him, sir.
Yes, they were what? Disrespecting. Kanu bihi yastahzi'una.
They used to
Okay.
ridicule.
Now, in this sentence, one thing I want to tell you an extra. وَمَا يَأْتِيهِم مِّن رَسُولٍ. So, file of this sentence is Rasul. Okay? Even
Yes.
it is Nakira. This Nakira is because of min. Its min is called Zaida, extra. It is to make more Nakira. Normal sentence was وَمَا يَأْتِيهِمْ رَسُولٌ. It means any of from messenger, any of the messenger. So وَمَا يَأْتِيهِمْ مِن رَسُولٍ. So this kind of sentences you will observe in Quran, but you can keep in mind this min zaida can come with the fa'il or sometime with ismu kana. وَقُومُوا لِلَّهِ قَانِتِينَ. Hina, what is the Zulhal in this sentence?
Home, which is hidden in Kumu.
This is Amr, Antum.
Yes. You
And this
all
is
are
Hal,
Antum.
Qanitina.
Antum. Yes. Yes. Sir.
The next sentence, وَأَرْسَلْنَا الرِّيَاحَ لَوَاقِحَ. So in this sentence,
Oh.
lawaqiha, it is
Waqiha
hal,
is Hal.
ar-riha,
Hunna.
zulhal. How we recognize?
Yeah.
This is nakira
And
and
this is
mansoob.
Marifa. Yes.
Mansoob. But it is not from what? From mushtaqat. That I told you that sometime it can happen. Yaslaha madmumam madhuran. So can you tell me, Diba, madmumam madhuran, why it is mansoob and nakira?
So, because both are Zulhal.
Both are zulhal. Who is
Both are
hal then?
No, sir. No, sir. These both are Hal.
These both are
And
hal. Very good. So now who is zulhal?
the Yasla.
Very good. Not
Only
yasla. Huwa, pronoun in
Huwa.
it. Because fil mudare.
Yes,
Yaslaha,
sir.
he will enter in it. وَيَنْقَلِبُ إِلَىٰ أَهْلِهِ مَسْرُورًا. Hina Sayyid. Masruran.
Yes.
What is this noun in the sentence? Maf'ul or hal?
It is Hal.
Hal of who?
Hua.
Where is this huwa? Can you show me?
It's hidden in Yanqalibu.
Very good. In the yanqalibu. وَجَاءَهُ قَوْمُهُ يُهْرَعُونَ إِلَيْهِ. Can you tell me, Nasira Malik, what is hal in this sentence?
يهرعون إليه.
Very good. It is hal. So what is zulhal? Qawmuhu. It is zulhal. And how this sentence is connected with from this naibul file hum is reverting to qawm. Okay. ثم ذهب إلى أهله يتمطى. So yatamatta, what is the condition of this in the sentence, Hina Sayyid?
It is Hal.
Hal of who?
Hua. Zahaba.
Yes,
It is hidden in Zahaba.
Yes. So now you observe there are nouns, mufrad, there are sentences which can be hal. So I hope the lecture was clear and the information was very clear. So the next lecture will be your last lecture, inshallah, biznillah, in which I will tell you the remaining few things. And inshallah, that will conclude our study. And this lecture might be possible after 4 or 5 days, inshallah, biznillah. Okay, jazakumullahu khaira. And always remember me in your prayers. And whatever I'm posting now, from the Spain tour, Spain and Switzerland and Italy tour videos. So I will request you to see it. And if someone cannot understand Urdu, no problem. I have added already English subtitles. Okay, Hina Sayyed?
Yes, sir.
So will you see those videos?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, I will mark your attendance there, correct?
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay, I'll start marking the attendance of batch 7 English students. I'll see how they are doing. Okay, it is up to you and your choice. I'm just requesting. If you are interested, good. If you are not interested, it's no problem. But I will request you to keep your interest, because My videos are not based on tourism especially. It is based on, I always look and choose the places which are mostly related to history and especially the history of Islam. Jazakumullahu khaira fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. But I only see the comment of Aisha Dania. No one other is commenting. Only Aisha Dania, and she is also rarely commenting. But at least I see in one or two. Okay, thank you very much fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.